When your roof needs attention, you deserve the best, and that's Division Kangaroof. And here's why. We set ourselves apart in several ways. First, by communicating with you, the homeowner, every step of the way, from our first contact all the way through the job. And after we complete the job, we clean up the mess and shake hands to say goodbye for now. Division Kangaroof uses the finest materials we can find. We buy carefully to honor our commitment not only to quality, but to give you what you need at the most affordable price. Our team of skilled workers will show up on time, show respect for your property, and clean up after the job is complete, making sure there's no debris or loose nails left on the ground. Division Kangaroof guarantees our work. We're bonded, licensed, and insured, which should give you peace of mind when you pick up the phone to call us when you need roofing services. Division Kangaroof will be your friend in high places while you stay safe on the ground. Make the right choice. Call Division Kangaroof today.